Everything in these dashboards is connected to machine learning. And as I said in some other videos, that's because 80-20 rule, I think that most people will get the most value out of the machine learning. If there were alerts, there's going to be a lot of false positives and negatives just because that's how cybersecurity works. And unless you just need to have you need to put a lot of effort with alerts. But I want to walk through how you can bring alerts to these systems. Not that hard. So we're looking at a particular CCI. This one in particular is looking at user identity for all logs. And I want to take that query and build an alert out of it. Well, each of these visualizations is connected to a query. As I go to Discover, I can see that exact query right here. And I'm just going to make an alert off of this query. Now, I would imagine as you start using this, you're going to start building these queries, changing them a little different to your needs. And this allows you to also be able to do that from your alerts as well. So taking this query, I'm going to copy it, go into alerts, and create an alert. And the simple form of that is I'm going to literally copy and paste that query into the query here and go to the next step where I will name this, and this will be user identity missing ID. Connect to the next one, schedule how often I run this. In this particular case, what do I want to do when this triggers? Well, I'm thinking I'll probably just send this to an email, connect to that to an email, be able to write the email out there, and write the rules. Rule is done. That is the way that you can connect these dashboards to those rules.